Hola amigos, ¿cómo estás? It's Domingo. So today I will be reviewing this Harley Davidson Triglide Ultra in Atlas Gray Metallic. It's got a 114 cubic inch motor. If you can see, the controls are just like in a street glide. It's got a pretty nice seat, comfortable. Handlebars for the passenger to hold on to. Pretty spacious beer box. And then additional compartment storage below. It's a pretty good looking bike. So this is the point of view. As I mentioned before, it looks very similar to a street glide. One thing to keep in mind is that when you are riding this motorcycle, you're not supposed to lean. You're just supposed to push and pull, kind of like counter steer, which is very odd and makes it very difficult. At least it did for me. It felt like, the wheels kept on dragging me, and you couldn't really lean. So I think that's the point of having a motorcycle. So I don't think I will be getting this one anytime soon, unless I have to. I'll stick to my two wheels, but you can test it out yourself and see what you think. Amor, what do you think about the bike?
I think the bike is really good, but the back seat I felt like on a roller coaster. Like I can feel the whole road, all the uneven ways and parts. So far that's my impression. I don't know if because it's the first time on it, but I felt that like, it was like more unstable and more unsafe for me.
Yeah, so the suspension is not the greatest, right?
No, I don't think so because you can feel everything.
There you guys have it. So this bike is not for everyone. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the review. Sorry about the wind noise. Shift gears and cheers.